hair's still messy. If you haven't checked out my video, it's called Dogs. It was this morning, so yeah, my hair's still messy, but it's fine. You know, who cares? Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you my Fidget toys that I got from Learning Express. Toys, whatever. I call it Learning Express, but it is called Learning Express Toys. And I really like these, because they're super fun and stuff like that. But today I want you to subscribe with your foot. And please do, because we have 9 subscribers. My brother has 9 too, and I kind of want to beat him. So please get me more subscribers. Okay, so first off, my puppy that I got. So actually the thing that I really like about this puppy is that it has miniature pineapples. I don't know if you can see. You zoom in, but you can kind of see those zigzag lines right there. You can't see the pineapple part, but the thing, that's a cool thing that I like. And also, this is like an amazing puppet. It's like, you know, there's like some hard puppets. I don't like those. They're like, you can't like bend them like this and stuff. And yeah. But yeah, I really like this puppet. So yeah. Next, I only got 2 puppets, like, puppets. What do you think I have in my hand? I'll show y'all one. It's another puppet, yeah. But is it like a 6x6, 3x3? What is it? If you guessed 100 by 100, you are wrong. If you guessed a 10 by 10, you're right. So this is a 10 by 10 puppet. I have seen a 100 by 100, but there was no 100 by 100s at Learning Express. If there was, I would probably get it. But I think they might have been sold out, though. If there ever will be one. Once they come out, they will probably be sold out right away. But here, let me show you how it sounds. It sounds amazing. I only did 3 lines, so yeah. So I got this, and also when it's on the good side, you can just go like this, and it actually works pretty good. So yeah. And also, these 2 kind of got the same tie-dye-ish look. I wouldn't say same exact stuff, but, you know, same in a way. So I got this pink one, pink monkey noodle. I got a few monkey noodles. But it charges so much. I got a pink one, a blue one, and a purple one. The purple one's the stretchiest because I play with it a lot. So I got those monkey noodles. I also have a caterpillar monkey noodle. So I kind of like, oh wait, and I forgot. If you do this, it doesn't hurt. And you can also launch, oh, well, I'll show you later. I've only tried it once, and that one time it worked. And this, I don't stretch this one too much. I kind of just like roll it around, and it feels good because I don't want to break it because it's so cute. So I got that one. I also have a wacky track. I don't know really why I got it, because I wouldn't say they're too, you know, just not that entertaining. I mean, it's entertaining, but not really that much entertaining. I made a square. Now I'm making, what's it called? What's it called? That looks like this. Oh, it looks like lips too. Ooh, ooh. But, guess I got my wacky track. Next up is my snapper. The snapper does not work that well. Come on. Sometimes you have to do this. See, it's not, no. Okay, next one is my favorite. The pineapple, this one, and the cat, and so, I'll show you my favorites. Okay, so. To pop too. Sounds amazing. I could literally go to sleep with this sound. I could. It makes me tired. I got a move. You can make this into a necklace. I mean, you can snap it together. You can make it into a bracelet. And you can make this weird thing that I invented. Yes. You know, like in the 80s, this is what they, not exactly, but like, kind of weird. But yeah, I really like this one. I even tried to make a mini one of these with those spinny straws, and it actually kind of worked out good. I'll show you the size difference though. Alright, so put it back together. It's a mini. Okay, so this is the size difference. It's in my hand. You can't even see it. That's how small it is. I can literally go through. But, okay, so this is how this one sounds. Nice, right? And this is how this one sounds. I know. It sounds way different. I don't know if you could even hear that pink one. If you did, it does not, it does not sound like this. But, yeah. Okay, next one. Simple dimples. I feel like simple dimples were more popular. Dogs. I think they were more popular a long time ago. But one thing I like to have is you have two simple dimples, right? You put them together like this. They're both sticking out the loud way. And then you push them together. Yeah, you push them together. And look. I like it. I literally like simple dimples because it even comes with the keychain, and so does the 10x10 pop-it. It comes with a keychain, but I don't know why you would like put that on like a backpack or something. The 10x10 pop-it. But yeah. are those 2 simple dimples. Then my last 4. And my last 4. So these are probably the last 4 are probably the best stress relief wise. Because I mean, the other ones are kind of just like fun to play with. Okay, so these are called glitter globbles. It just has glitter in it, and it's a globble, and it's so satisfying. You can literally like feel the glitter, and it's just amazing. I wish y'all could feel it, like that's in a weird way to feel it, but it works. I really like them, and they also stick together. So I mean, it's kind of cool. Come off. And my brother was like, let's throw these on the ceiling. I was like, heck no. No. So yeah, these. My last 2 are globbles. They're just regular globbles. If you don't know what globbles are, they're basically Neatos, just in a smaller size and not so squishy as them, but they are fun. I would say these ones are more hard to squish than these ones, because these ones are like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. I used to have a purple globble, but I cut it open because I wanted to. But yeah. Okay, now I'm going to show you my favorites out of all of them. Okay, so like these. So, like these. Like these. Like these. This. 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 Okay, so the only 2 things I do not like are these things. Well, I mean, I like the snapper, but it's just sometimes it doesn't work. So I got my pineapple that I love, my 10x10 poppet that I love, my 2, my globbles, glitter globbles, caterpillar monkey noodles, simple dimples. My simple dimples just fell on the floor. It's fine, right? And I also just usually put these monkey noodles in the tube. Like I put a monkey noodle in the tube. Come on, go. And then I strap. And then I like to do this, because you can actually hear it go down. Yeah. You can do that at home. It's fun. So yeah, got all these. Got all of them. I feel like everyone nowadays, they're into like poppets, simple dimples. Not simple dimples anymore, but they still like simple dimples. They're just like crazy. Okay. So I really hope you liked this video, and go check out Learning Express if you haven't yet, and bye, subscribe.